So good evening. We are back again. The transfer window is open, so there's no more excuses. Oh, but the transfer window's not open yet, man. Well, it's open now, and at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, Spanish time, we have still not signed Declan Rice. Make sure you smash the like button up, people. I would appreciate it. Very, very close. Literally about 3 subs away from 82k. So if you could get that done as well, that'd be great. Chuck your super chats in via the thanks option. Thank you very much. And make sure you sub to Lee Reacts as well. Just dropped a video on there about Sheikh Jassim and the top reds in the bin with their facade, with their stupidness. But anyway, the latest news regarding Declan Rice is Hijack. This kind of follows the same pattern, doesn't it? Every single transfer that's a big fee or a big named player or somebody that we've been tracking, chasing, on alert, for months and months and months. All of a sudden, there's a Hijack story come out. And this one is from Fabrizio Romano. Hijack, transfer guru Fabrizio Romano has told Arsenal they must act fast if they want to sign West Ham midfielder Declan Rice, with Manchester United potentially hijacking a deal to sign the England international. Speaking on the Here We Go podcast, Romano said, I really hope for Arsenal fans that this is fast. Sometimes for Arsenal, it's not about Edu or Arteta, it's about the owners. Sometimes to do big signings, you need the approval of the owners. Pretty obvious that. We've seen in the past with Mykhailo Mudryk deal and Gabriel Jesus deal, other clubs tried to come in for them at the end, like Tottenham and Chelsea. Arsenal protected that with Edu and his Brazilian connections. Sometimes Arsenal are too slow due to the owner when it comes to big names. In this case, they have to be fast. The timing is going to be crucial. We don't know what will happen with Man United. Maybe next week they will have new owners. Who knows what happens? Maybe they enter the situation with their presence. But it's as it stands, nothing's happened. But being fast in this moment of this market is absolutely important. Which, let's be real, Arsenal are anything but fast when it comes to transfers. So don't be shocked if we don't sign Declan Rice, because this has been going on and on and on and on. It's getting very boring, isn't it? And it's almost got to the point where it's like, getting bored now, mate. Don't want him. Don't want him. All I keep hearing, bid imminent, bid close. All I've heard for 2 weeks is Arsenal are preparing a bid. Well, where's the bid then? All of these journalists that have been tweeting it out, I've got all your receipts, my friend. Arsenal to lodge a bid within the next 48 hours. Well, that was 72 hours ago. So where's the bid then? Where's the bid? What takes so long? We've got the money, pay it. It really isn't difficult. It doesn't matter whether it's a £1 million deal or a £101 million deal. Yeah, the same rules apply. You put a bid in, you get your bid accepted, you then arrange payment. That's it. It's really not difficult. You arrange payment to the club that you're buying the player from. It is basically that simple. Yeah, and I was going through this with Terry yesterday. Yeah, okay, cool. There's a lot of lawyer side, legal side that has to be tied up. I get all of that. But ultimately, it is pretty much black and white. Hello, we want a player. Which player? We want Rice. Okay, that's 100 million. Well, can we pay 95 and we'll give you 5 million add-ons? Okay, cool. We'll accept that. Boom. We'll call you back and we'll arrange payment. It really is that simple. Like, it really ain't difficult. And the thing is, this is going to go on and on and on and on and on. And it would not surprise me if Man City or even Man United or Chelsea come in and bid for him. Yeah, and if they do, we know they're going to slap the money on the table. Yeah, get the deal done, move on to the next deal. But we won't. We'll be fannying around, piss-arsing around, getting the Declan Rice deal done. And let's not forget, England play on Friday and they play again on Monday. So we're going to go round and round and round and round and round, and we're still not going to have this deal done by next week. And it's frustrating. Like, I don't understand what Edu has been doing since January. This is our number one target. This is our main guy. So why has it taken so long to agree a fee? Why has it taken so long to put a bid on the table? Why has it taken so long to actually do anything? Yeah, not only that, if he is our number one target, and I've been thinking about this more actually, if he is our number one target, why did we bid for Caicedo in the January window? That makes no sense. Unless we're going to go and get Caicedo as well. That literally makes no sense to me. So we bid 75 million for Caicedo in January. Then we bid nearly 80 million for him. But now we're not going to bother with you, mate. We want Rice. Make that make sense. Oh, yeah, but Lee, Rice said that he wanted to stay at West Ham until the end of the season. Right? And Caicedo was staying there. They said he weren't for sale. What's the difference? Could we not have gone and tested the water with West Ham in January? No? It makes no sense. The way we operate in the transfer market is shambolic. For a club the size of ours, the way we move is nothing but a disgrace. It's nothing short of a disgrace. Since David Dean's left this football club, we've been a laughing stock in every boardroom across the planet. Yeah, nobody takes us seriously. Edu walks in, they go, oh, here he is again, the toe sucker. Here he is. Yeah, little cowboy. Yeah, where's your cigar, mate? Where you flipping the burgers again today on the barbecue? The guy's an absolute disgrace. Yeah, he couldn't close the door. Yeah, and if I'll tell you now, I would not be surprised one bit if we do not get Declan Rice. Yeah, tracking, planning, lodging, imminent, bidding, in talks, edging closer. It's all a load of bollocks. All a load of absolute bollocks. Yeah, at the end of the day, if you want the player, you get the player like that. Yeah, look at McAllister, for example. And I know he had a buyout clause. But no mucking about. Straight in, Liverpool got him. Yeah, Cody Gakpo, boom, straight in, Liverpool got him. Yeah, Diaz, straight in, got him. Why can Liverpool go straight in and get players like that? How? We don't hear weeks and weeks and weeks of talking, yeah, and Klopp's on the phone to him and he's given Klopp his word and all of this crap. Only at Arsenal we see this. Only at Arsenal. So what is the hold up here? Declan Rice closing in on a 100 million deal. Okay, good one. There's 80% chance that another unbelievable player signs for Arsenal. Okay, mate. Edu knows his next 2 transfer targets. Well, I should think he would. If he don't, why? What? It's mad. Odegaard snubs PSG. Snub, that's a good word, isn't it? He snubs. Yeah, what a great buzzword that is. Snubs PSG. No, he didn't. No, he didn't. They didn't come in for him. Like, these people that write these stories fucking wind me up. I swear to you, because there's so many weirdos on the internet that lap this crap up. It is insane how many people lap up all of this crap. It's unbelievable. It is actually unbelievable. Mikel Arteta's Moses Caicedo plan revealed as Arsenal search for perfect Declan Rice partner. Oh dear, Football London are a bunch of weirdos, man. Yeah, look at this one. Declan Rice sends Jack Grealish 8-word message as clear Arsenal transfer instruction given. Oh my days, people still lap this crap up. It's unbelievable. Transfer target breaks silence on Gunners' interest amid Declan Rice admission. Arsenal sent major Declan Rice transfer warning amid Sheikh Jassim's United takeover twist. Oh dear, I reckon I could make up better stories than this, you know. I actually reckon I can make up better stories. Mikel Arteta has Declan Rice upper hand amid Ilkay Gundogan blow. Arsenal join the race to sign a perfect Bukayo Saka backup amid Santi Cazorla transfer claim. What does that even mean? And people go, oh my God, let me click. What? They click on it. What the hell are you talking about? Get in the bin, Football London. You're scumbags. Absolute wasters. Yeah, Declan Rice may or may not be coming to Arsenal. Who knows? Yeah, the one thing I do know is the transfer window's open. Over 100 players have been transferred already around Europe, and none of them have come to Arsenal yet. But we've been tracking him since January. Tracking him, monitoring him. Like, how about buy him? How about just buy the guy? It really ain't difficult. Give him the money, buy the player. How hard is it? Yeah, and I'll tell you now, if we don't get Declan Rice, we'll go in for Caicedo and we'll get Caicedo and everyone will be gassed. Yeah, it's just backwards. It's just backwards. Like, I don't understand it. Why can't we work on 2 deals at the same time? Why are we only working on 1 at a time? Reece, there's your deal, Reece. How comes that's not been announced yet, by the way? Let's have a look at Arsenal website real quick. Oh, look, more merch. Yep, that's not been announced yet. So William Saliba has signed a new deal, not been announced yet. Reece Nelson signed a new deal, not been announced yet. Why? Why? Maybe they're getting Ian Wright ready. I don't know. Woohoo! Wheel out Righty again. Woo-hoo! With Reece. I mean, he has come through the academy. I mean, we gave Saka all of the adulation and the praise. I mean, everyone's gassed about Reece signing. So maybe Wrighty's sitting on the pitch as we speak, talking about how his journey through the academy has been insane. Maybe that's what it is. Anyway, keep your eyes peeled for another video later on this evening. It'll only be 2 today. I want to go beach, and I got up late. My bad. Go and check out the video on the Lee Reacts channel about Man United and all the humanitarians and social justice warriors, and everyone's got morals, the be kind mob and all of that don't want the Sheikh to take over United. They're happy for the Glazers to rob their club blind, but it is what it is. Go and check that video out. All have a blessed day, people. And yeah, man, Edu out. Adios. Ciao.